Your skin is gonna thank you after this, especially with period skin sensitive days.
Just gonna mist this hypochlorous acid spray. Honestly, this is my go-to when my skin feels irritated or if I have random breakouts. It's like a reset button for my skin and it doesn't sting at all. My centella ampoule. You guys know centella is the ingredient for calming the skin, right? I use this when my barrier feels damaged. Please, please don't mind my hair. It's watery and absorbs fast, but it makes my skin so soothed after. Then I go in with a few drops of Lancome Advanced Genific. This one's all about skin repair and making your skin stronger over time. I feel like it helps with texture too. Just pat it in, don't rub. To lock everything in, I'm using Purito Bamboo Cream. Panthenol is so good for skin barrier. It's lightweight, but super moisturizing. My skin drinks this up, especially at night.